Hi, welcome to our video on what to do if your central heating isn't working. Here are a few simple steps you can take to help keep your heating working as it should. Check your thermostat and boiler. First, check that your thermostat and boiler are set to the correct temperature. If your thermostat is set too low, your whole heating system might stay off. To test this, raise the thermostat temperature slightly and see if that gets things warmed up. Remember, it shouldn't need to be set higher than 21 degrees. Next, check to see what your boiler's heating dial is set to. We recommend keeping it set to around 60 to 65 degrees, but for now, try turning it up as high as it will go. Then wait to see if your boiler kicks in. Just remember to turn the dial back down once you're done. Check your boiler's pressure. Your boiler's pressure can drop if there's a leak in the system or if you've bled your radiators lately. The pressure gauge should ideally read 1.5 bar. If it's below 1, you'll need to repressurize it, though it does vary from boiler to boiler, so do check the manual. Our website's got a step-by-step guide on how to do this. But if you don't feel confident repressurizing the boiler yourself, a gas-safe registered engineer will be able to help. Bleed and balance your radiators. Balancing your radiators lets hot water flow evenly through your home. To get started, find the lock shield valve. With the heating turned on, close the valve, then open it slightly till you hear water going into the radiator. Now repeat this for the rest of your radiators. Lastly, if your radiator is cold at the top and warm at the bottom, you may have a buildup of air. This can make it hard for the heat to flow freely through the system. To get rid of trapped air, you'll need to bleed your radiators. You'll find a step-by-step guide for how to do this on our website. Remember, at OVO, our cover plans include an annual boiler service, a 24/7 helpline, and access to our nationwide network of engineers. And if you're not covered already, you don't need to worry. When you buy Home Recover from OVO, we'll set you up with our most comprehensive plan to help keep you protected. We may be able to fix your issue anyway. For more info, just search OVO Boiler Help online.